Maximizing your YouTube ad revenue involves a combination of strategies focused on growing your channel, increasing viewer engagement, and optimizing monetization options. Here are some tips to help you maximize your YouTube ad revenue. 1. Create high-quality content. Focus on producing high-quality videos that are valuable, engaging, and targeted to your audience's interests. Quality content encourages viewers to stay longer, watch more videos, and increases the likelihood of ad impressions. 2. Build a strong subscriber base. Encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel by consistently delivering content they enjoy. Subscribers are more likely to watch your videos, engage with your channel, and generate ad revenue through increased views and watch time. 3. Optimize video metadata. Use relevant keywords, titles, descriptions, and tags to optimize your video's discoverability in search results and related videos. This increases the chances of attracting organic views and potential ad revenue. 4. Promote your videos. Share your videos on social media platforms, embed them on your website or blog, collaborate with other YouTubers, and engage with your audience across various online channels. Promoting your videos helps increase visibility, reach, and potential ad revenue. 5. Encourage engagement. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and share your videos. Higher engagement signals to YouTube that your content is valuable, leading to increased visibility and potential ad revenue. 6. Enable monetization. Once your channel meets the eligibility requirements, enable monetization features, such as displaying ads on your videos, joining the YouTube Partner Program, and utilizing ad formats like pre-roll, mid-roll, and display ads. 7. Diversify revenue streams. Explore additional revenue streams beyond YouTube ads, such as brand sponsorships, merchandise sales, crowdfunding, affiliate marketing, and creating premium content for platforms like Patreon. 8. Understand YouTube analytics. Regularly analyze your YouTube analytics to gain insights into viewer demographics, watch time, retention rates, and revenue sources. This data helps you make informed decisions on content creation, audience targeting, and monetization optimization. 9. Experiment with ad placements. Test different ad placements, such as mid-roll ads or overlay ads, to find the most effective strategy for balancing viewer experience and ad revenue. 10. Collaborate with brands and advertisers. Reach out to relevant brands and advertisers for potential collaborations, sponsorships, or product placements. Building relationships with advertisers can lead to direct partnerships and higher paying opportunities. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time and dedication. Focus on providing value to your viewers, engaging with your audience, and continuously improving your content to maximize your YouTube ad revenue over the long term.
If you liked this video, please click on the like button for supporting us. For more tips, tricks and useful videos, please subscribe our YouTube channel, Star World TV. And don't forget to turn on the bell icon.